it's Vitasta. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another Nykaa haul that I think I do every couple of months, and you guys seem to really enjoy it and really enthusiastically watch me spending all my money. And especially in this shopping spree, I got less things for more price just because I wanna get roasted by my mom. As a person, I am not the one who would want to spend on high-end makeup. I feel that there are very nice drugstore equivalents to them which are really great and work amazing, and we do not want to spend 3 times 4 times the price. But something happened 2 months ago. I did my first high-end makeup purchase, and I ended up realizing that those products are actually pretty great for their price. That still doesn't justify their very high price, but like, you don't regret paying so much, you know what I mean? In the end, it's also about preference and what you like. I'm not forcing you all to buy anything. Anyway, so the first thing that I bought in makeup was this Givenchy lip liner. I actually got this liner 2 months ago from Sephora with my other bougie purchases, but I ended up losing it in a wedding. That was really a sad and heartbreaking moment for me. This is without a doubt one of the best, if not the best, lip colors I have ever seen. Like, it's the most beautiful color I've ever seen on me. Whatever makeup I'm wearing or not wearing, this will go with it. This lip color is called Brune Couture. Apart from being the most beautiful color ever, this is also very durable. It actually lasts through 1 or 2 meals, and it's matte and blends so well. I use it as a lipstick, not a lip liner. This is something that I love and will always do. My next purchase is Dior Lip Addict Lip Balm. It's my first Dior. I mean, it has the cutest little packaging. I have seen a lot of duplicates, but this is the first time I'm having the original, and I got it in the color Rosewood, which was one of the only colors available. The package is definitely bougie, and having Dior in your hands really makes you feel very powerful. But is it worth it? I actually have applied it right now, and as you can see, it's very neutral. I had the choice between buying the lip oil or lip balm, and after a lot of thinking, I bought the lip balm, and I think I made the wrong decision. I should have gotten the lip oil because I was kind of looking for more color. This lip balm is actually supposed to give you a custom color depending on the temperature of your body and your lips, pH chemical thing, I don't know. So it doesn't have a very predominant color. It revives the color from your lips temperature or something. To me, it gives a very natural rosy color. Plus, the thing is, it's very nourishing to your lips. This is one of the things that you just want to have. If you have a little money to spare, you can buy it. I am actually not a perfume person. Like, I don't know perfumes like people know their perfumes, you know. I would apply just anything and go about my day. I didn't mind wearing nice perfumes or anything. I did not understand why people would spend like 6,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees on perfumes when you can get body mists and other perfumes for like very cheaper prices. I've actually gotten perfumes as gifts before, but I never really paid attention and stuff until I got my own perfume, which is from Tiffany & Co. I started to realize that having good perfume is very important. People who smell good are very memorable. The point is, now I love perfumes and I would like to own a few nice ones. So if you have any suggestions of your favorite perfumes, please write it down so I can check them out. But one thing, as a perfume rookie, I would suggest you not to buy a perfume online unless you know how it smells like, because no matter how much they describe the scent, you will not know what it smells like until it's in your hands, and that's what happened with me. I got this Elizabeth Arden white tea perfume for myself, which comes in a very nice bougie bottle, and it's so beautiful. It's not a bad perfume at all. It's actually really nice, but it didn't smell like what I expected it to. Also, I recently learned about what are top notes, hard notes, and base notes, and what is, you know, musk, wood, and amber and stuff. There's just so much to learn. But if I have to describe its smell, I would say it smells like a businesswoman who is wearing formals and goes to work in a very tall building and MNC, and she has like authority. And if you go to talk to her, she would just give you a look and smile at you, but you know that she is a little mean. But the thing is that I really like wearing it. It has top notes of mandarin, which means it initially smells very citrusy, but it has base notes of wood and musk. Also, it's not subtle at all if you're looking for that, but it's also not headache inducing, because I get really nauseous with a lot of scent around, and I don't get nauseous around this, so take it as you want. Next thing I got is Pixi Beauty's detoxifying eye patches, which is specifically for puffy eyes. So if you have puffy eyes in the morning, you can apply it, and I have used it. Trust me, it works for puffy eyes. I am still not sure if it works on dark circles, because I have not applied it regularly to see a change like that, but it definitely immediately depuffs your eyes. So it's great to use in morning or before you put on your makeup. For $25.50, it definitely looks expensive, but it's actually not if you do the math, because it has 60 patches, that is 30 pairs, and if you divide 550 by 30, that gives you 85 rupees per pair, which is kind of cheaper than what you get for single piece patches, which cost around 100 to 150 rupees, but it's also thinner compared to those patches. So I'm so sorry guys, I actually have a few more products that I really wanted to share with you. I got them a few days after I filmed this video, and I thought that I really needed to tell you about them. So I got my first and second MAC lipsticks in my life. Yes, it's true, it's my first MAC purchase. I've never owned a MAC lipstick before, and now I have two of them. MAC lipsticks are like really common, but I just didn't have the interest to buy them before. Now the ones that I got are in nude shades, both of them. First one is called Half and Half. It's a very brownish nude color, but it's a bit lighter. It's a peachy nude, and it's very good for daily use. And the other lipstick color is called Meher. It's a very popular color according to the reviews, and I just feel like this is very similar to my Givenchy lip liner. This one is more on the pinkish side. Next I got is this Benefit Go-Go tint, which I think is not that worth the hype, because it's unnecessarily too costly for just a normal tint that you can get, because I was expecting something really great out of it. I love tints, but somehow they don't work for me. One thing I really like about this is the super cute packaging, and it's a little shiny tiny bottle. It has an applicator like this, which looks like it's really pigmented. The color that I got is this cherry pink color. The OG tint is a little reddish, and this one is a little pinkish, and now I think that I should have gotten the red original one. I can use it as a cheek tint as well, so it's like not all wasted, I guess. Then I got this really interesting compact powder from Balm Cosmetics. This is the outer cover. It actually has the cosmetic right here. It looks like a little pocket book, and then voila, it has a little mirror. Hello. A normal compact, that's what it is, but it's very fashionable, and I only got it for the packaging. It's just something that you can have if you like collecting interesting things. And as for the use, I have used this compact powder today, and it was alright. It actually did absorb a lot of shine on my face. Safe to say that it works. So that's it guys, that's all I spent my money on this time, and I really hope that these products work for me and I end up loving the few that I don't really like. It's always such a pleasure to film haul videos because you guys really like them, and I really like making them. So if you like this video, then please leave a like on the video, and if you really like this video, then please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I post every week. You can also check more of my videos if you want to. Thank you so much guys for watching this video with me. I am gonna see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye.